to another video. Today we're doing sound effects. Here's one of them, clapping. And also, here's a hero joke. I kicked a dog. Oh, here's something very bad. I kicked my workshop thing. Oh yeah, here's a hear what a transformer sounds like. He wants to hear what a nuke sounds like. I'm gonna kill you and fire at you. I'm gonna break a bunch. Wait, oh, this is Logan Paul right now. Wait, can you wait, don't smash it yet. Okay, there it is. Smash it! Now,
Dedicated to you, Logan. Oh, make the laughing sound.
you know what you get for laughing that hard? Guys, he just earned $600 in dying. Oh yeah, and also we got a new thing. Show us our new dog. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. Wait. No, not yet. I'll show you one. Now. Yeah? Stop it, Brendan. He's gonna jump now. He's got an idea. Oh, he looks so hot. Oh no, he's screaming now. Do not fart.
Sorry.
Do not burp. Okay, that's too much. Bye.